Hello to everyone. In this video I'm going to solve a problem from relations and functions. Okay, so here the question is, find the range of f of x which is equals to root of 1 minus root x square minus 6x plus 9. We can simplify this one. How? F of x equals to root of 1 minus root x square minus 6x plus 9. This can be written as how? Root 1 minus root of x square minus 2 into 3 into x plus 3 square, right? So root of 1 minus root of, this is a square minus 2ab plus b square formula. So this can be written as a minus b whole square, which is equals to root of 1 minus, here what will get? Mod. You get mod function here. As we are taken out the square and root, we will get mod function. That means in the root you may have plus, you will get plus. Minus also you will get plus. So here in the root you may have plus or minus, anyone. But the solution is positive when you take the square. So like this you will get. Now let us find the range. Range is nothing but what? If you take a set A, B and C, if you take, this is having some A, B, C, this is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here I am having 1, 2, 3, right? So A to 1, B to 2, C to 3. So this is what? Domain. This will be codomain, and this will be range. Here what will be the difference? In codomain you will have some more elements which cannot be what we say, mapped to domain. But in the range, each and every element in the range are must map to each and every element, means every single element will be mapped to the elements in domain. That is called the range, right? Based on this we will find the range for this function. Okay, so say for example, if I am substituting x value 0, sorry, I am substituting the value 3, what we will get? Which implies root of 1 minus mod 3 minus 3 is root 1 minus 0, which is equals to root 1 equals to 1, right? And if I am substituting x value, so here I am taking x value 2, root of 1 minus mod 2 minus 3 equals to root of 1 minus mod minus 1. What is the mod? If you have less than 0 within the mod, you will get greater than 0, right? That means if you have negative in the modulus, you will get the solution positive. So what you will get? 1, this is plus 1, this becomes plus 1, so into minus, you will get 1 minus 1 equals to root 0 equals to 0. And one more, if I take x equals to 4, root 1 minus mod 4 minus 3 equals to root of 1 minus mod 1 equals to root 1 minus 1, which is equals to 0. So what you observe here, the range is nothing but the elements. You must have elements in range, so that each and every element in the range must be mapped to the element in the domain, right? So from the these are comes under elements of range ma. This becomes domains. Elements in domains. The results what we are taking, those are the range. So what will be the range for this function? Range of given function is 0 comma 1. Understood? Okay. If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.